Most smartphones packing 7,000 milliamp hour batteries look like rugged industrial bricks. But Vivo just broke that stereotype with the all-new Vivo S2 5G. Squeezing a massive 7,050 milliamp hour Blue Volt battery into an ultra-sleek 7.9mm chassis, this phone resurrects the iconic S-series with a striking camera visor, military-grade armor, and an eye-catching 3D curved display. Is this the ultimate battery marathon phone, or are there hidden compromises under the hood? Let's dive in. The undisputed headline here is battery engineering. Packing over 7,000 milliamp hours into a body under 8 millimeters seems physically impossible, but Vivo achieved this using next-generation silicon carbon anode chemistry. In real-world terms, this delivers effortless 2-day battery life even under grueling workloads. The trade-off? Vivo equipped the S2 with 44-watt flash charge instead of triple-digit wattage. While 80 or 120-watt speeds are common elsewhere, Vivo intentionally tuned the charging curve to safeguard battery health and preserve that razor-thin form factor. Flip the phone around, and the front panel is equally impressive. You get a 6.83-inch 3D curved AMOLED display pushing a crisp 1.5K resolution and a silky 120Hz refresh rate. With local peak brightness hitting 3,000 nits, direct sunlight visibility is top tier. Even better is the build quality. Vivo didn't just give the S2 a stylish Google Pixel-esque camera visor, they certified it for MIL STD 810H military drop resistance, plus dual IP68 and IP69 dust and water protection against high-pressure jets. Under the hood, the Vivo S25 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7360 turbo processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage. Built on a refined 4nm architecture, this chipset strikes an ideal balance between sustained gaming frame rates and thermal efficiency. App launches are instantaneous, multitasking feels effortless on Android 16, and the phone stays remarkably cool even during extended sessions. Turn to the camera visor, and you'll find a 50-megapixel Sony primary sensor with optical image stabilization, flanked by a secondary depth sensor and a sharp 32-megapixel selfie camera up front. Photos from the main sensor are crisp, with vibrant colors and dependable low-light performance. However, at roughly 40,000 rupees, the omission of a dedicated ultra-wide or telephoto lens is an undeniable compromise for photography enthusiasts. So what's the mobile Munch verdict on the Vivo S2 5G? If you demand versatile zoom cameras or 30-minute ultra-fast charging, there are other options to consider. But if your top priorities are unmatched multi-day battery endurance, extreme IP69 durability, and a stunning curved display wrapped in a lightweight premium design, the Vivo S2 5G makes a bold and compelling statement. That's the breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Munch, and we'll see you in the next one.